Before installing Numpy, you need to make sure that Python and pip, Python's package installer, are already installed on your Windows machine. Check Python installation, open command prompt and type Python -- version. This will display the currently installed version of Python. If not, you can download and install Python from the official website. Check pip installation. Verify if pip is installed by typing pip -- version. If pip is not installed or is outdated, you can install or upgrade it by running Python -m ensure pip -- upgrade. Once you have Python and pip set up, you can install Numpy by running this command open command prompt. Run the following command: pip install Numpy. This will download and install Numpy and any required dependencies. After the installation completes, you can verify it by starting Python and checking the version of Numpy. Open command prompt. Run Python. Python. In the Python shell, type the given code. This should print the version of Numpy you just installed, confirming that it was installed correctly. Thanks for watching.